Open your Revolut app and unlock it to get started on your main dashboard. We are diving straight into finding the hidden scanner so you can send money to your friend instantly. Look at the very bottom of your screen and locate the navigation bar. You need to tap directly on the Payments section, which sits right in the middle with a double arrow icon. This opens up your Transfer Hub, where you usually see your past contacts. Now, look up at the very top of this page. You will see a wide search bar that says Name, at RevTag, Phone, Email. Do not type anything into it. Instead, focus on the right-hand corner inside that exact search bar. You will spot a small square icon that looks like a miniature QR code. Tap that icon once. Your phone might ask for camera permissions if this is your first time using it, so go ahead and allow access. The app immediately launches your rear camera as a scanner. Now, hold your phone over the other person's screen or printed slip. Position their square code right inside the illuminated box on your screen, and the app will automatically read it and pull up their payment profile. Here's the little issue you need to know about this feature. While this screen is open, you will see a small tab that says My Code. If you tap that, you swap from scanning to displaying your own personal payment code. The catch is that while your personal code is visible, you lose the ability to scan anyone else until you toggle back. This means you have to choose between scanning someone else or letting them scan you, as the app cannot do both simultaneously. Once you successfully scan their code, the app will instantly redirect you to the transfer page where you can type the amount you want to send. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.